What's up, guys? So right now what we're waiting for is the CTI tickets. They're going up right now in how?
Like 12 minutes.
They're going up in 12 minutes. So crossing fingers we're able to get them, because a lot of people like us are on their phones ready just to get the tickets. But hopefully we get them. And yeah, stay tuned, continue watching so you can see if we got them or not. Hopefully we did. And yeah, continue watching. Okay guys, so now B's gonna do a little warm-up before we get the truck tickets, because she has to be ready. And yeah, show him, B, how you do it.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. How did I tell you again like this?
Cool, yeah, cool.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
Scary feet, scary feet, scary feet, scary feet, scary feet, scary feet.
Unfortunately, guys, we weren't able to get the tickets. CTI took a little bit too long to post them, so we decided to take a break and we left. And when we came back, the tickets were already sold out. But yeah,
I thought we were gonna get them.
next year, B.
No. Psych, bitches, we got them!
We did it! We did it! We did it! Yay! We see.
Why did you always get hurt?
I don't know. Come out of my video.
No.
Yeah, tell him. Okay, guys, my little nephew did a little part where he's like me, where he like remeda, in other words, what I do in one video, right, Brian?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm gonna post it, okay?
Okay.
Okay, and he bought me pizza, so he a real one. Good job. Give me love, Brian. He bought me pizza, guys, so I'm gonna go eat. I'll be back real fast. And what do you got to say, Brian? Show him your toy. Show him your toy. Show him your toy.
No.
Show him your toy like that, like so they can show the little nephews too. Go.
No.
No. Okay. All right, guys, be back.
The girls, Brian.
Huh?
The girls.
No.
The girls?
No.
Oh. Brian. Alright.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
What's up, guys? I'm out here working, hustling. I'm about to go on a delivery real quick. And my girlfriend and her little twin cousin are about to do a little photo shoot with the piñata.
Bobby, come! Hey, you could come in here. Okay, look, B. Go ahead. Smile, Bobby. So cute. Okay.
You go next there.
Why am I?
Aww.
Be quiet. Come on.
What's up, guys? On our way to Chick-Fil-A. Is it Chick-Fil-A?
Yeah.
Yeah, Chick-Fil-A. This is our first. Well, this is my first time trying it.
Mine too.
Oh, well, my girlfriend's too. It's our first time trying it. So yeah, it's gonna be a little video of us trying it for the first time, and
Challenge.
what is the challenge of it? It's a challenge of us trying it for the first time. So yeah, it's not a challenge. It's not a challenge, guys. So yeah, just stay tuned and continue watching so you can see me eating Chick-Fil-A for the first time. Chick-Fil-A, that's how I said it. I said Chick-Fil-A last time, but it's Chick-Fil-A. So yeah, continue watching so you guys can see. Okay, guys, we'll do it with
You have to say we're doing.
these are the spoons and the straw.
No. You have to say, hey guys, this is our first time trying Chick-Fil-A.
Hey guys, this is the first time trying Chick-Fil-A. I got a number 2, which was a spicy deluxe.
Spicy chicken.
Spicy chicken deluxe. Fries.
You know what I closer?
Fries! I think they get it.
Okay, and I got the grilled club.
Spoons.
The
Straw.
grilled club chicken sandwich.
I got the spicy deluxe with pepper jack. Let's take 2. Alright. I already took a bite at mine. So this is mine. That one.
Don't take it.
The spicy chicken deluxe. Just in case you guys want to go buy one.
And then mine says the grilled chicken.
Yeah.
And then I got a Greek yogurt.
And I got ranch.
Okay, now see them. Oh, and these fries. Uy.
Bro.
Sorry.
Okay guys, leave my fries alone please.
Angel, stop.
So they give us a lot of ranch. They give us 6. Not like at McDonald's, only give you 1. And they get mad when they give you 1. And I got the sweet tea, right?
Yeah.
Sweet tea drink with sugar.
Okay.
We're gonna take another bite. Alright, 1, 2, 3. It's good. It's spicy.
You want to try me?
Hmm.
You want to try me?
Hmm.
Can you go bring me a baby whip?
Hmm?
Can you go bring me a baby whip?
Why?
Because I need it.
Is it napkin?
No, but one baby whip.
Oh my god.
You joke.
Oh, there's napkins right there.
I want baby whip. Okay, it's okay. What? The grilled chicken is like extra, like it feels like extra healthy.
Like this?
Yeah. You don't want to try it? Sure.
I'm okay with it. Fries. You don't want to try some of mine?
Okay, I took a bite. I can like, but little baby one. Like I got Chipotle.
Did I let you get ranch? I mean, fries? I don't think so. That's just much, bro. Okay, guys, usually we go eat like McDonald's and Jack in the Box, which is good. I like it. But it was time to try something new.
I don't like Jack. Well, I like it, but then it makes my stomach hurt.
I love Jack.
No, I like it too, but I think it's the number 7 that fucks me up.
Huh?
And my brother too. My brother's allergic to burgers. That's fucking weird.
Yesterday that we got the truck tickets, I was excited because this is my first time actually going to a truck event, which is like very, I guess, like a cool experience for me because I like what I love doing is like truck stuff, like fixing my truck up. I love doing stuff like that, and I feel like, oh, like that is like a great. That would be a great experience to like for it to be my first time. So that's why I'm excited because I was able to get the truck tickets so I could go into like where all the trucks are at, where all the popular trucks are at. But yeah, for a lot of people it may not be like, oh damn, like why is he excited over some truck tickets? But I think it's just the experience that I'm gonna have, and it's something that I really like. So I don't see it as a.
Not only that, we deserve to go to that show because we worked our ass off for basically everything.
Yeah, we were gonna go last year, but for some reasons we didn't go. The truck wasn't ready, so I was like, nah, let's not go. But yeah, I think this time we are ready, and hopefully everything comes out good for that day. And we're gonna leave at 4 in the morning. Hopefully, crossing fingers, we leave 4 in the morning with. We're gonna meet up with some other trucks at this one meet, and then 4 in the morning we're gonna head out to the truck invasion. And yeah. So this will be it for this video. Hopefully you guys like this video so you guys can continue watching our next videos. And I might post my little nephew. He did like a little like take of, oh, he wants to be like me. Like, oh, I'm Angel. and he recorded himself like vlogging, supposedly him, and it looks very like good. It looks accurate. So yeah, hopefully you guys like that video. But that's gonna be the next video. So yeah, thank you for watching, guys.